Now let's explain how to install and debug the welding and cutting elf. What about after the goods arrive? Get the track ready, or put it on a fixed table, or put it on this steel plate. Then the hose. Clamps come with machine. That welding machine protection switch. Plasma can also be used. It is also used when cutting. Then the screws of the clamp. The track is fixed for later installation. Install here. There are two axes of light inside. Whole alignment of optical axis. Align to the track. Then just push it in. Just use it flexibly. Then take out the horizontal measure. Optical axis. The upper optical axis is aligned with the bearing groove below. Then if it's a person, secondary host. Insert. After the track is inserted, we will install it. Clamping device. Screw penetration. Reinforcement. Screw penetration. If it's blocked, you can remove it. You can take it off. Reinforcement after adjustment. Or using a hexagon. Or use a wrench. Both structures are okay. Then, jump into level. Tightening screw. Adjust the angle. This angle can be adjusted. You can use a hack wrench. Can you use a wrench? Fix it up. That's it. Let's see how to use it. Plug the power plug into the hose. Welder joint. This is a 2-core wire. Both welder and plasma are okay. Use this welding and cutting elf to weld. You can also cut with your own gallery. Plug in hose. Power on. Here we go. Demonstrate how to use. Return it to him. Manual state reached. There are multiple languages to choose from. So let's look at the manual functions first. The manual function is as the name suggests. It's front, back, left, right. We press. Then you can use it to control this adjustment. Then we press. Confirm to enter manual mode. In manual mode, press forward and he will move forward. Press the back switch and he goes backwards. Press left. The machine moves to the left center. Press the right machine to move to the right. This is manual. This is a manual function. Then we quit. Return according to cancel. Select welding function. This upper palm. The icon on the palm of your hand will